Your efforts, your work will be rewarded. So do not give up. Here's how it will be rewarded. It will be rewarded if you do not give up. Now, how to not give up? This is mainly the main thing, because it's gonna be hard. Maybe you're going through a hard time right now. You feel like it's just like nothing is working. You must rejoice in the Lord. This is what your strength must be. I went to church and the priest said that your strength must be in rejoicing in the Lord. Why? Because if you rejoice in the Lord, just in God, just in Jesus Christ, you will find this happiness. Like even in the midst of things, you will find happiness. You will remember God and you will remember Jesus Christ and what He did for you and how much He loves you, and you will rejoice. And if you rejoice, you feel better. If you feel better, you're less likely to give up. And in 2 Chronicles 15:7, it says, "But as for you, be strong and do not give up, for your work will be rewarded." If you just find the strength of keep on going, like just keep going, do not give up. If you're on the path that God puts you to, do not give up. If you're in a waiting season, let go and wait on God without giving up, right? You don't give up on your work. You still do your part, and then you wait for God to do His part if you're in a waiting season. But if not, just take action, and you must also have a healthy fear of the Lord and be afraid of not doing His will. And so you will have the urgency to actually keep on going. If you have this fear, this will give you wisdom. If you have wisdom, you will not give up, and you will keep doing the right things. I'm telling you, you will be rewarded. You will, all your work, all your efforts, all the things you went through, all the suffering you went through, all of it will be worth it. God will make it worth it in a way or another, in a way that you may not comprehend, in a way that may seem impossible right now. But what is impossible for man is possible for God. So do not give up, my friend. Do not give up. I'm with you. If you want to, you can connect with me on Instagram as well. We can talk. And if you like this kind of content, like, subscribe. And if you're new here, welcome. My name is Ivaldi Sako. I went from being a broke personal trainer in France to now working with millionaires around the world and building up my own business, 7 figures soon. Hopefully with the help of God. I'm now in Dubai, thanks to God. And on this YouTube channel, I help you become everything God created you to be and become like holy, be sinless, free, successful. If this interests you, you are an ambitious Christian, or if you're an entrepreneur that wants to become everything you can be, subscribe, because you'll get a lot of value from this YouTube channel. And yeah, I'll see you next one. Take care.